to a car accident.
Yeah?
So that people can learn about getting into car accidents and how to avoid them.
That's kind of cool, I guess.
So this car is probably over here somewhere.
Okay.
And I just got on the freeway like this.
Okay.
And I was getting ready to get off the freeway here. And I don't know if I was just going too slow for them or what, but as I was getting on the freeway, she come up behind me and she hit me like this and sent my car over into the middle.
Wow.
Totaled the car, of course.
Yeah. Injuries?
Yes and no. I mean, I had existing injuries, so it probably didn't necessarily help. But
awesome.
the x-rays showed no damage in the x-ray status.
Muscle stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I mean, that's terrible, but...
Yeah. But no, it's just standard lower back pain, chronic.
Sorry.
You gotta live with it, you know?
Yeah.
No! Stepdad?
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. What's your name?
Elena.
Hi, Elena. Thank you.
Yep.